In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix VPN Super Unlimited Proxy app not working. If you are encountering any challenge, maybe this app can't open, or it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix these VPN issues. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this problem. In the first method, we want to access the app info page. To do this, just long press on your app and you should see app info here, or if you can't see app info, depending on the version you are using of your smartphone, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on it to access app information page. You can still access the app information page also through settings. From here, we need to first clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you should see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that this VPN app normally collects and stores to enhance your user experience. However, accumulation of these files might cause your VPN app to malfunction. To fix this, go to clear data down below and choose clear cache and OK. And as you can see, the cache data and some of the user data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then open the app, and this should fix most of the problem and you shouldn't have any issue. But should you still experience this challenge, then you might want to come and clear all data here by just tapping on clear data and then clear all data and then OK. However, should this not fix the problem, then you need to go ahead and find this app or look for the app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I've gone to Play Store here. Find out if you have any update for this app. One of the reasons your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of VPN Super Unlimited Proxy app that might not be supported. By updating your app, you'll be able to access the latest features and fix any issues that might be causing this. However, should this not work, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall this app all at once and then install it afresh. This is more especially so if you are encountering issues such as the app keeps on crashing even after following all the other steps. So by using any of these methods, now your app should be up and running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.